y'all, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's Cook and Clean with me. For this Cook and Clean with me and my husband are just making steak, roasted sweet potatoes, and green beans because it was really nice out this day and this is our go-to meal on a nice sunny day. So the first thing we're doing is marinating the steaks, and we're taking each steak and putting it in this vacuum seal bag with the Stubbs Texas Sriracha marinade. If you haven't tried that stuff, guys, it's amazing. Definitely try it out. I think they sell it at Walmart and Target. We love it. It's our go-to. But after we put all of that into the bag, we're then going to vacuum seal it shut using the Kasori vacuum sealer. And Kasori was nice enough to send this to me to try out, and we had so much fun with this, guys. We were vacuum sealing anything and everything we could get our hands on. So it was really cool to use this to marinate the steak, and I was worried it was going to be a little difficult to use, but it was actually really easy. You just set it on that little area there, and then all you do is turn it to wet or dry and then hit vacuum seal, and it's vacuum sealed. It was really neat.
Yeah, it feels like you're the one.
And then you'll see I was turning it upside down trying to see if it would break the seal at all, and it definitely didn't. So once that was done, we put it in the fridge for a couple hours just to marinate. And this vacuum sealer came with a bunch of bags, which I thought was really nice as well. After a couple hours, we went ahead and cut that open, and then my husband went and put these on the smoker.
And the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you there was no.
My husband is really into smoking things, so if you guys would like to see a few videos on that, let me know and I'll see if I can talk my husband into it. While he's smoking those, I'm just going to start in on the green beans and the roasted sweet potatoes. For the green beans, I'm just using a little olive oil, garlic powder, oregano, salt, and pepper. Super easy, and the green beans always turn out amazing.
Saves me, the one who saves me.
And then I'm going to take this giant sweet potato and I'm going to cut this in pretty good sized chunks. And then I'm going to take a tinfoil lined pan. This makes cleanup so easy. I'm going to put some olive oil and some salt and pepper on. That's really all these need, and they came out super good. I put this in the oven at 350 for probably about 15 minutes. Once that's done, I plate everything up. You'll see my daughter, instead of steak, she gets a banana. That's because she doesn't really like meat, and she gets plenty of other protein and other sources, so I don't push it really.
It feels like you're the one who saves me.
This was super good, by the way. Perfect for a nice day. And you'll see here my kitchen is a total wreck afterwards. Anytime me and my husband cook together, the kitchen ends up a total wreck. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to vacuum seal the rest of the steaks. That way my husband has them throughout the week for lunch. And I'm just creating a new bag. I just cut it and then I hit manual seal to seal the end. And then I'll put the steaks in and then just vacuum seal it shut and put it in the fridge.
Heart's beating faster in a minute. I'm high on slow dancing with you. 1, 2, 3, keep it going, last forever. All blacked out, then flying with you. I don't care that my mind's gone.
I don't know why this is so cool to me, but it was so cool. I was fascinated with it. After that, I'm just going to start in on dinner cleanup, cleaning up all of the dishes that we made, wiping down the counters, the stove, the dishwasher, everything needed to be cleaned after this.
With the lust, but heart drums the mind, so we'll win anyway. Yeah, we own the sun, naive, wild and drunk. Oh, 'cause it's all up when I'm with you, I'm with you.
You'll see in most of my videos that I hand wash our knives. That's just to keep them sharp. If you put them in the dishwasher, it tends to really dull down knives a lot, so I always hand wash them.
Going faster, getting wilder. Don't care if I get out alive. You feel that
And then this Grove collaborative tray always gets pretty dirty, so I clean that, and I needed to clean my cutting board after cutting up all of those sweet potatoes.
You're lost in love with a lust, but hard drums the mind, so we'll win anyway. Yeah, we own the sun, naive, wild and drunk. Oh, 'cause it's all up when I'm with you, I'm with you. I'm with you. We know we are lost in love with the lust, but hard drums.
I'm currently back to the lavender Mrs. Myers. This stuff smells so good. I don't really like lavender, so I never tried it, but recently I've tried it because I ran out of all of my holiday scents, and it smells amazing. My husband says it smells like grape soda.
I'm with you.
I'm going for broke, yeah, I'm all in. It's all on the table, let's sink or swim. I'm ready to lay it on the line, yeah. But it's like every move I get shut down. I'm down for the count, falling to the ground. Now you gotta tell me just what you want, just what you want, just what you want.
I love how small this vacuum sealer is too, so I was easily able to store it under my cabinets, no problem, without taking up a huge amount of space.
Make it wrong. I'm trying to hold on, so please, yeah. And don't let me walk on broken water. And don't let us sink into the darkness.
And guys, I'm getting a new dishwasher this next week. I'm so excited. This dishwasher is pretty old, so it's definitely time for a new one. And I think I've reached adulting level 100 now that I'm excited for a dishwasher.
I'm shaking my head while I'm counting down. I'm counting down, yeah. But I remember a time when our hearts burned. We held back the night.
My trash can is always dirty, so I go ahead and give that a clean as well. I feel like I clean my trash can twice a day, every single day. It's ridiculous.
And don't let me walk on broken water. Don't make me push it any further. Why do you wanna make it wrong? I'm trying to hold on, so please, yeah.
After that, I'm just gonna give my floor a quick sweep and mop. It needed it after a day or two.
I wish I could read what's on your mind. You're stepping out of line, can you? I don't know what to do. I'm tired of getting abused. Baby, come on back to me once again. Baby, come on back to me once again. And don't let me walk on broken water. Don't make me push it any further. Push it any you wanna make it wrong.
And this is the reality of my living room on a weekend. It's a total wreck, so I'm gonna quickly clean all of this up after dinner.
I wish I could read what's on your mind. You're stepping out of line, can you? I wish I could read what's on your mind. You're stepping out of line, can you? No
Went down crashing in my own bed. There ain't no words when you're sleeping with shame. All out and yet still wide awake. There ain't no prayer when you're sleeping on nails. When words fail you and all that you can do is look away. Yeah, and the image in my mind is burning each other down. It's pain. If you could only say it's you.
After I'm all done picking up, my husband is gonna vacuum for me while I sweep and mop the entryway. And that's it for this video, guys. I will link the Kasori vacuum sealer down below in my description if you want to check it out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, as well as hit subscribe if you're new. I would love to have you here. And if you are subscribed, make sure and turn on that notification bell, because YouTube is doing a weird thing lately where they don't like to show new videos. So make sure and turn that on so you never miss a new one. And that's it for today, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye!
Telling all of the tales, the kind of fire that'll make us both shake. Closed eyes, saying still